Hello children, this video is for class 2, subject general knowledge, topic test paper 3rd and 4th, page numbers 71 and 72, and this video is prepared by Alka Sharma. Test paper 3. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. First, plants that need support of other plants are called Plants that need support of other plants are called climbers. Second, plants give out gas which helps us to breathe. So, plants give out oxygen which helps us to breathe. Third, dash is known as God's own country. So, Kerala is known as God's own country. Fourth, dash in Kolkata was built in memory of Queen Victoria. So, answer is Victoria Memorial. Victoria Memorial. Fifth, always use the dash crossing to cross the road. So, we should always use the zebra crossing. Zebra crossing to cross the road. Question second, identify and name the following. You have to identify the pictures and write the name. First, this monument is also called the Palace of Winds. It is Hawa Mahal. It is called Hawa Mahal. Second, it is a computer which can be carried anywhere. It is a computer. So, it is laptop. Third, she was the first woman Prime Minister of India. Yes, she is Indira Gandhi. This is a musical instrument. It is hard to play. Children, it is violin. Violin. Third, unscramble the words to name the following. First, plants that have soft green stems. Words are BEHRS. So, answer is herbs. Second, physical exercise of mind and body started in India. Words are GOYA. So, answer is YOGA, yoga. Third, state which is famous for its tea gardens. Words are MASSA and answer is ASSAM, Assam. Fourth, a computer which can be carried anywhere. Words are PTOPAL. So, answer is laptop. laptop. Fifth, this day is celebrated on April 22 every year. And words given in the bracket are RTHEAYDA. And answer is EARTH, Earth, DAY, Earth Day. Sixth, a person who trains a sports person, in bracket HCOAC. And answer is coach, COACH, coach. Seventh, the currency of India, in bracket EUPER. And answer is RUPEE, rupee. Eighth, Indian city famous for its ghats, in bracket NASIRAVA. And answer is VARANASI, Varanasi. Ninth, a type of musical instrument, in bracket DONILNAM. And answer is from these words mandolin. 10. The main stem of a tree, in bracket RKNUT. And answer is TRUNK, trunk. Test paper 4. First, answer the following questions. First, in which sport would you use a butterfly stroke? Answer is swimming. Second, in the story Wizard of Oz, what was the name of Dorothy's pet dog? Toto. Third, which comic character's real name is Peter Parker? Answer is Spider-Man. Fourth, what is the official residence of the President of USA? White House. Fifth, which is the world's longest river? The world's longest river is River Nile. Second, identify and name the following. First, look this picture. She is an Indian boxer. Her name is Mary Kom. Second, he becomes the 44th President of USA in 2009. He is Barack Obama. Third, it is a tall iron tower in Paris, France? It is Eiffel Tower. Fourth, children, identify this game. Yes, weightlifting. Weightlifting. Third, read the clues and find the correct names in the word grid. Read the clues given here and you have to find the correct names in the word grid from here. First, a superhero whose real name is Clark Kent. A superhero whose real name is Clark Kent. His name is Superman. Superman, find out here. Superman. Children, you write here answer also. Superman. Second, what comes after Tuesday? What comes after Tuesday? Wednesday. Wednesday is here. Wednesday. You write here also. Third, when you are connected to a computer network, you are said to be online. Online. In grid, where is online? Here. Online. Fourth, who followed a rabbit to reach Wonderland? Who followed a rabbit to reach Wonderland? Answer is Alice. And in grid, Alice is here. Alice. A-L-I-C-E. Fifth, Swiss tennis player whose last name is Hingis. She is Martina. Where is Martina? Find out. Look here, Martina. M-A-R-T-I-N-A, Martina. Sixth, part of your arm that bends. Part of your arms that bend is elbow. Elbow is here. E-L-B-O-W, elbow. Seventh, world's longest wall is in this country. It is China. Where is China? Find out in grid. It is here, China. C-H-I-N-A, China. Eighth, world's largest continent. World's largest continent is Asia, and grid, Asia is here. A-S-I-A, Asia. Ninth, a period of 7 days. A period of 7 days is called week. Where is week? Look here. W-E-E-K, week. Week. 10th, the jungle boy who was raised by Bablu the bear and Bagheera the panther, and he is Mowgli. And in Great Mowgli is written here. Mowgli, Mowgli.